Hey, Russell Liebowitz here with Recruitemy. We help recruiters and staffing agency owners scale their business, whether it comes to acquiring new clients and new jobs, as well as candidates. I've seen lately our market is hot. We've got plenty of jobs, but we can't find the candidates to fill the jobs and make money. So I want to show you a system that we're using right now for our staffing company, as well as our members' staffing companies, that's really producing some great results. It's called the COI, which is short for Center of Influence. Let me go ahead and look over here at this monitor and give you guys a quick preview of this. So what this does is we are able to really cast a net within your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. We want to come up with a target list of 5 to 10 people in your network that would introduce you to somebody else, almost like you're at a business meeting, but it's virtual. So the idea is to come up with a target list of 5 to 10 people, like I have done here on the left-hand side. These names right here are people in my industry, wireless telecom, that's the staffing that I do, who I know are tied in and connected with other people that could be hiring managers for me, really good hyper-targeted clients that I want to acquire. And so what I do is I plug in the parameters for the tool that we use, and it aggregates and goes out and finds mutual first degree connections with my target list here on the left. And it gives me an output of all of these folks right here who I am connected with as mutual through Mark Gansey, for example. So now I can email Mark Gansey. I can first, copy and paste maybe 5 of these people right here, right? Make it simple for him because we all have ADD nowadays, and make it painless. And I can say, hey, Mark, I've got this really cool strategy that I'm using right now where I can identify some people in our industry who could possibly help me move my business forward. They're actually first degree connections with you and myself. Can you do a soft introduction for me if I send you a breakdown of their names, their URL handles for LinkedIn, email address, whatever you need? Our tool is able to extract that information, as you can see here. And if there's anything else you need, Mark, on your side, I'm happy to reciprocate. But I can tell you, if you could just send a message for me through LinkedIn, it would help me out tremendously. Coming from a person like you, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, Mark. I'll make this easy for you. I'll shoot over the spreadsheet to you right now. Have a great day, or it's attached below. Have a great day. That's the gist of the message that'll help you really turn a cold outreach into a warm outreach to help you get new jobs and new clients and even new candidates. So these could be like really highly targeted, passive A-player candidates that you find right here, not on a job board. So again, Center of Influence, COI strategy. We're using this for our members right now. I use it for my staffing company. It's a tab that we create down here that's part of our system, and it works out really well. So if this interests you at all, let me know. All my sites are below. You can contact me. I can do a demo for you and help you get your staffing company up and growing. Have a great day. Thanks.